What are standard and itemized deductions on TaxAct? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about standard and itemized deductions on the TaxAct. Standard and itemized deductions are both methods used to reduce your taxable income, but they differ in how they are calculated and applied. So here is how they work in TaxAct. Talking about standard deduction, the standard deduction is a fixed dollar amount that reduces your taxable income based on your filing status. TaxAct automatically calculates the standard deduction for you based on your filing status and other relevant factors. For example, for the tax year 2024, if you're filing as single, TaxAct will apply the standard deduction amount set by the IRS for single filers. You don't need to provide any detailed records of your expenses to claim the standard deduction. And talking about the itemized deductions are individual expenses that you can deduct from your taxable income, such as mortgage interest, medical expenses, state and local taxes, charitable contributions, and certain miscellaneous expenses. In order to claim the itemized deductions, you need to provide detailed records of these expenses. TaxAct will also guide you through the process of entering your itemized deductions, asking for the specific information about each deductible expense category. TaxAct will then compare the amount of your itemized deductions to the standard deduction. You'll generally choose to itemize deductions if the total exceeds the standard deduction, as it may result in the lower taxable income and the smaller tax liability. TaxAct typically presents both options, standard deductions and itemized deductions, during the tax preparation process. The software helps you determine which option is more beneficial based on your financial situation and provides guidance how to claim either deduction method accurately. If you're unsure about which deduction method to choose, TaxAct software can help you compare the two to determine the most advantageous option for you. So this was all about standard and itemized deductions on TaxAct. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.